Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction that's going on the Rio Minho bridge. This is where the new section of Highway 2000 is being connected to the existing roadway. So the new section, it starts here at the bridge and goes to Mandeville. So it's basically the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now they have removed the roundabout that was here and they are joining the new section to the existing section. So here you can see the Jersey barrier has gone in and it's now one straight road. So once you're on the highway, you won't even realize that the highway once ended at the beginning of the bridge. The existing highway went from Kingston to the Maypen roundabout where it ended. And the new highway starts at the Maypen roundabout and goes to the Williamsfield roundabout. However, to connect both sides of the highway, the old section and the new section, they have removed the roundabout. So we're just going to show you what's going on up here. Now, a piece of the roundabout is still there because the highway is not open yet. So persons have to get from the Kingston to Maypen leg of the highway onto the Maypen bypass, which is the road on the left. But once the highway is opened, they will no longer have to go on the Maypen bypass. So they will fully remove the roundabout and the cars on the Maypen bypass will just keep left and head to continue on the Maypen bypass. So you won't be able to access the highway from the Maypen roundabout anymore. It's going to be removed. Alright, so we're going to give you a tour of what's going on now from the road. We gave you a drone tour. Now we're going to show you what's going on from the road. So we are on the bridge driving towards where the roundabout is. So as you can see, the Jersey barrier now extends all the way up to the existing section of the highway. And they put in the barricade on the left because it's a very steep drop if you were to go over. And this bridge, the Rio Minho bridge, is the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. The new section is not open to the public yet, so but it should be open by the end of August. And as you can see, they have literally joined both ends of the highway. They're just waiting to open the highway now. This section, this is a new section. It lines up perfectly with the existing roadway or the existing highway. So we're just going to show you what the other side of the road looks like. And this highway is a 4-lane dual carriageway all the way from Kingston to Mandeville. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour as we show you what's going on out here. And we will give you weekly updates between now and the end of August, or between now and when the highway is opened. But from all indications, the highway should open in 2 weeks. So that's what's left of the roundabout now. And as we said, the roundabout will be fully removed when the highway opens. Now, if you want to get on the highway, there is a interchange being built in Maypen by Glenmuir Road, and you can also get on the highway from Mineral Heights. But the Mineral Heights entrance is limited as to which directions you can go. But the Glenmuir Road interchange is a full interchange. You can get on, you have 4 ramps, so you can go in either direction you want on that section of the highway. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.